Hello guys, my name is Harsh Kumar and I am a second year student in Metallurgy and Materials Engineering at MNIT Jaipur. And recently I got an opportunity to get an interview in a startup uh, where I got an interview call via phone, and then I got a task to complete and send it to them. So let me show you the task and what was it, and I will show you my work too, about how was my work. First of all, so this is the task which I got using Expo. Build a location as an input component. You have to build a location as an input component. When clicked, it will open up, like when you click the application icon, it will open up the maps from a specified location, and the specified location is given as initial location, default as user's current location. It will access the current user location and it will take it and show it on the maps as initial position or initial state. Then the user can move around the map to select any other place. On submit, it will keep a store of what place was selected and show that as the value of the input field. For reference, see Uber's pickup location selector. The second part of the question is open ended. Implement a fancy loading animation. मतलब एक fancy loading animation implement करना है second part में. It should show your imagination and technical expertise to implement that. मतलब कि आपका imagination, technical expertise और क्रिएटिविटी दे शो करने के लिए आपको ये एनिमेशन वाला इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. वी आर नॉट लुकिंग फॉर अ सिंपल लॉटी कंपोनेंट रैदर दैन समथिंग कस्टम एंड यूनिक टू यू. मतलब कि आपको खुद से ये इम्प्लीमेंट करना होगा, कहीं से उठा के छाप दिए वो इनको नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है. फिर मेक श्योर द ऐप इज़ स्मूथ एंड फ्री फ्लोइंग एज यू कैन बिल्ड. जितना ज़्यादा फ्री फ्लो और जितना ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो सकता है उतना कोशिश करें बनाने का. और उसके बाद आफ्टर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दिस, एक्सपोर्ट द ऐप एज एन APK एंड सेंड इट टू अस. एज एन APK मीन्स दे आर यूजिंग एंड्रॉयड आई गेस. ऑल्सो शेयर द कोड बेस. तो और फिर कोड बेस शेयर करना है. सिंपल एक मैप्स ऐप बनाना है. उसमें आपका करंट, जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलोगे तो यूज़र का लोकेशन इनिशियल स्टेट होगा. उसके बाद आप उसमें सर्च कर सकते हैं किसी भी प्लेस को. फिर आप उसको सबमिट जैसे ही करेंगे तो वो प्लेस सेव हो जाएगा आपके फ़ोन में. फिर जब भी आप खोलोगे और सर्च करोगे तो आपको एक ऑप्शन आएगा कि वो सेव प्लेस को लोड करना है कि नहीं करना है. तो चल रहे हैं, देखते हैं क्या है मतलब मेरा जो सॉल्यूशन है. ये मेन स्क्रीन है. मतलब इसमें बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स वगैरह है. लैग कर रहा है पता नहीं क्यों. स्लो चल रहा है. इतना तो स्लो नहीं चलता है. बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो चल रहा है. लेट इट लोड. ये कोड है, ये मैं गिटहब पे डाल दूंगा, आप देखते रहना. कोड नहीं समझा रहा है, मैं अपना ऐप दिखा रहा हूँ. ओके. सिम्युलेटर. बहुत ज़्यादा लैग कर रहा है. मे बी इट्स द OBS and I am recording the full screen, that's why. And this iPhone is loading also lazily. Let me first run the server so that it can connect. Wait a minute, what is this? This is another app. Let me shut it down. My app name is Explorer, that's why I chose to keep npm run iOS. Or you can do is Expo start, or let me do the Expo start only. I have used Expo very less. I mostly use React Native CLI has been. Okay, I need to do npx expo start, I think. Oh shit. npx expo str. Let me see now. Is it running? Deprecated. Oh, now it's run. Great. And then you have to press I. Opening on iOS iPhone 15 Pro Max. Expo. Show all commands. Press app entry.js. Let it load. Look, first of all, whenever you will open the app, it will show you a pop-up for accessing location. So you need to allow whatever you want to choose. I will choose allow once for now. This is expose pop-up every time it comes whenever you open an app made using Expo. And now you get the map with initial state as the location of your user. But since I am using an emulator or simulator, that's why it's giving San Francisco. Maybe the location is set to San Francisco, I don't know. And then let me search for a place like which place? My location, Jaipur. Search. You can see I can search. I can also do is satellite view में देख सकते हैं इसको. जूम कर सकते हैं डबल क्लिक करके, फिर से डबल क्लिक. इसको आप स्क्रीन मतलब फिंगर से भी ऐसे करके जूम कर सकते हो, लेकिन मैं लैपटॉप पे यूज़ कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास ये टच पैड है जिससे कि जूम करने में दिक्कत हो रहा है. जूम करें क्या? जूम तो ऐसे हो रहा है. जूम नहीं हो पा रहा है, दिक्कत है. माउस होता तो हो सकता था. लेट मी सर्च फॉर अनदर प्लेस. Search. This is your MNIT Jaipur at such a small scale. जूम करने में दिक्कत हो रहा है. नहीं मिल पाएगा, जूम करने में बहुत दिक्कत है. कोई सा भी मान लो आप. दिल्ली सर्च किया आपने and then you see is Delhi. This is Delhi. You can save this location. Save location. Search for another place. Mumbai. Search. Save location. Let me show it. Satellite view is this. You can zoom in and zoom out also, remember, but I can't do it because of the touchpad problem. And now let me do it some another place like Kolkata. Search. Kolkata. And now let me save these two. And they said कि if जब भी जो सेव लोकेशन है उसको सेलेक्ट करने से वो आ जाना चाहिए. दिल्ली को कर लिया. लो भाई दिल्ली आ गया. लो भाई तुम्हारा मुंबई भी आ गया. चैटर्जी लेन, कोलकाता. ओके, हो गया सारा काम. अब और भी चीज़ दिखाते हैं कि मान लीजिए आपने लोकेशन परमिशन दिया ही नहीं तो क्या होगा. तो उसके लिए वो कैश हो जाता है, इसलिए मुझे ऐप डिलीट करना पड़ रहा है. लोकेशन परमिशन आई. Again it will install the Expo app, then my app, and then it will run. What if you don't allow the location permission in here? Let me show you that too. Let us don't allow. So it says permission to access location was denied. That's what I wanted to show you. Let me show you some place. So it's working again. Let me show if I write a place which doesn't exist, like a bottle. Search. Oh, bottle exists in this earth. Search. So city not found. This place does not exist, or in the database it not exists. And that's all I wanted to show you. And you can again save the place. And one thing more, that you can, if you click and long press this marker, you can move this too. Let me move it to you. Move this marker wherever you want. keep it there near Putnam, Patnam, पता नहीं है क्या है ये. Save location, Putnam. Also, you can, whenever you move the map and release, the cursor will follow you, the marker will follow you. And Apple, since I am using it on iPhone, it is opening Apple Maps, but in case of Android, it opens Google Maps, and Google Maps shows you a compass also. Maybe I can enable it in here too, like right now. If I do it, COMPA so compass property boolean equal to true. Come on, let me see. Oh, I need to first what do I need to do? I need to rotate this some way so that it can show you, but I am not able to rotate this map because of the trackpad problem. I can't do it in trackpad like zoom and rotate and all. So that's not a case in here. Okay, and that's all I wanted to show you. And one more thing is that whenever you will close and open the app, this will get lost, like this data of your saved, because I am not storing it on the phone, it's just in memory, and whenever the RAM is cleared it will go. So to save it on the phone, I need to use async storage, stringify all this. I have this object which has latitude, longitude, and this name or the address, and I need to first stringify it, then save it using async storage, then retrieve it, and then again retrieve it every time when I open the app, and de-stringify it and convert it into object, store it in array, and then I have to re-render this. That's all in this app. And yes, this is made in React Native using Expo, using MapView SDK. And that's all. Thank you. I will show you another app someday, a Bhagavad Gita app, where you can use the where you can use it and read Bhagavad Gita sloks and change chapter. Like, it's a nice app which I made last week, and this app this week. That's all. Thank you. I hope you like the app. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yes.